Well, I can tell you what won't be the issue. The brakes. Not today, it won't be. Tell you the brakes won't be an issue for sure. Come on, light. Now I just gotta make sure the transmission is shifting properly. That's first gear, second gear, third gear. Problems there at all. And even got a little backfire actually going on. All right, so we're gonna go for a nice little low. I'm gonna go down here to this park. I think I'm doing okay as far as I hope y'all can hear me. I got the wind muff on. Let me go. No, I was gonna go the back way, but I got the wind muff on because I ain't got no windows, y'all. So I'm thugging it out for y'all. A ride with no door glass. But I got her up to 40 miles an hour. Oh, I'm not in overdrive, that's why. There we go. There we go. There we go. Oh yeah, we Gucci. Now, I don't have the alignment. I haven't gotten the alignment done yet, but it is. I got the toe decent, so it does drive straight. The steering wheel is kind of off a little bit, but I'm gonna check the wheels when I get back, or when I get up into this park, just to see the wear pattern. That's the main thing I was concerned about, was the wheels wearing. Let me check my temp. Look like I'm about 190. Let's see where we at. We're at 199. All right, we haven't gotten it up that fast, but I gotta put the vacuum canister on the AC or on the heater box. So I've got condensation, or I've got heat coming through the vents. So that vent is open, and I've got it off. So it shouldn't be nothing coming through the vents. And actually, I say I'm thugging it out, but it's actually not that. The temperature isn't bad right now. So I'm gonna go up into this park. I brought my tripod, so I just got to get confident and driving the car again. That's all. I'm worried about getting stranded, because the last time well, not the last time I drove it, but one time I drove it, I ended up having to do I ended up having to get it towed to the house because of the transmission linkage came off. So, but yeah, I think I need to turn the ISO down on the camera. It's a little bright. The sun's shining right in my face. But I think we're gonna be all right, y'all. Car been sitting in the garage for a year and some change. Only pavement it's seen was the driveway and maybe the curb, the street right in front of the house. Now this transmission is shifting kind of hard. I did put some fluid in it. But at least I'm getting it up to speed though. That's the part. Oh yeah, I'm already here. Okay. There shouldn't be too many people up here, so I should be able to get out, talk to y'all for a minute. But we went for a ride in MiniSSkirt. I'm gonna put some miles on her, boy. Like I said, once I get comfortable driving it again, I'll pull her out more often. See, the doors are rattling because I ain't got my windows. I ain't got the the weather stripping or anything on yet, so it's kind of, everything is loose, and I hear rocks and pebbles hitting the door. Yeah, that's what's up. So I'm about to get a nice little thumbnail parked over here. I haven't put the chin spoiler on yet because I have the hardware is actually soaking right now in the rust dissolver. So I didn't feel like rinsing it off and putting it on this morning. But let me, I'm gonna leave it running right quick. Check my temp. It look like we good. I might need to get some gas though. Yeah, we good. So let me get out and holler at y'all for a second and cut y'all back on in a minute. Well, y'all see it. I know y'all probably thought it wasn't never gonna happen, but we got MiniSSkirt out of the garage and in these streets. Like I said, I just got to get comfortable driving it. Like I said, the car been sitting for a couple of years, ever since I did my front end suspension and steering. It's been sitting that long. Let me change this ISO. But yeah, it's been sitting for a minute, but I mean, I've been working on it. I say it's been sitting. What I mean by that is, I haven't been driving it, but I've been working on it. So even though it's been in the garage sitting, it's been getting work done. Mainly body and paint. As y'all know, I painted all the jams. So you can see, got the jams painted. The door jams, the trunk jams, underside of the trunk, the hood underside, as well as the inner fenders, liners and everything. So all we gotta do now is wet sand, block and sand the outside and get it ready for paint. But I just wanted to come out here and this is early Sunday morning, so I figured I'd come out before everybody get out of church and be in the streets. So I still got to get the alignment done. Let me pop the hood for y'all. Still got to get the alignment done, but I did get the toe decent enough to where to drive straight, and we got no issues. So we good to go. So for those of you who don't know, this is a 1986 Monte Carlo SS coupe. I've got a 5.7 liter LS1 with a 4L60E swapped into it. And I just recently finished doing the brake booster. This is a Bosch Gen 2 eye booster off of they come on Tesla and Honda Accord standard. And I've got a Wheelwood GM angled style master cylinder with the proportion valve. So I just put that on a couple of weeks ago. So that's working out really well. And the reason I put that on is because we are running Corvette brakes on the front. These are C5 Corvette brakes. You're using the Core 3 bracket, adapting them to a Blazer spindle, but I have the 2-inch drop spindle from Belltech. And of course I've got coilovers on it as well too. So the front is dropped approximately 4 inches. And then on the rear, we've got coilovers on the rear as well, but we have the Blazer S10 rear disc brake conversion. All that came off of a Blazer from the junkyard. Well, the hub did. I got the calipers new, and then I bought new rotors and pads as well. Same thing on the front. The rotors and pads, all that's brand new. So that's what we're looking like. Like I said, I haven't gotten the alignment yet. I just played with the toe to get that good enough so that I can drive it straight and not wear out the tires. So when I get home, I'll look at this. I can actually see it now. You can tell if it's dragging or not with the toe. But it looks to be decent. So all we gotta do, as you know, I've already painted the door jams. Well, I painted all the jams actually. So we got the door jams already painted. The jams on the doors themselves. I've also painted the underside of the hood, as well as the fender liners and the, hold on y'all. But yeah, actually this might not have been a good day to come because there's a lot of people out here. Looks like they're getting ready to go walk-in, workout, CrossFit, whatever. But like I was saying, I painted all the jams. So we got the fender liners, the fender jams themselves. I haven't painted these cover panels yet. These are going to get painted black. So, but I just got them on there just so I can see how they're going to look. And like I said, underside of the hood is painted. So all we got to do now is wet sand the car and get it ready for paint. So basically block sand, and then we'll wet sand and get it ready. She can't control that big old dog. That's crazy. Every time I see women with big dogs, it drives me nuts. And he's ready to go play. Anyways, I got sidetracked. So let me get a thumbnail real quick. Let me let this hood down. Yeah, it's packed out here today. I don't know what's going on today, but it's a lot of people out here. Let me get a thumbnail. Anyways, so it's a lot of people out here today. I guess they getting ready to work out, do CrossFit or something. But as y'all can see, we are outside. We got MiniSSkirt out. It's riding pretty good. I'm trying to get her in the frame. She riding really good. No issues with overheating. The brakes are working well. Transmission shifting. It's shifting hard out of third though. Third to fourth. It's a pretty hard shift. So I don't know what that's about. I'm gonna check the transmission fluid when I get back to the house. I just put some in it the other day to top it off while it was running. So we'll double check that to make sure it's squared away. But yeah, she looking good, man. Looking good at all. I got no complaints. So we're gonna go ahead and head back to the crib. I might get on it a little bit more. There's a little bit more traffic out, but see if I can't get it to snatch up out of here when I leave here. Let's get up out of Dodge. Lot of cars. I don't know where these cars coming from, big dog. What that noise was, but yeah, I think once I get my alignment done, we're gonna be straight, because she's driving straight now, just with a little persuasion from the steering wheel, but it ain't pulling. It's just the wheel. I didn't have anything to lock the wheel in place while I was doing the tow, so the wheel kind of got off center. And then it's, oh man, I forgot it's wet out here. Well, it's not wet, it's certain spots. And then y'all know I got these high performance tires on here, so they still gripping though. Ooh. And I think as far as the coilovers go, I think I'm dialed in at 0 clicks. I think I like that. It's nice and it's firm, but it's soft. You know, if that makes sense. It's that it's not. I don't feel all the bumps, but I still got good bound and rebound. So we might tweak it a little bit more as we go. But I like what we got. Yes, sir. This truck in my way. I can't really get on it like I want to. I gotta want to go out some more, but it's more traffic out than I thought. I guess it is after 10, so first service is already out. That's what it is. That 7 o'clock service is already out. But let me cut y'all back on when I pull up. Well, I call that there a success. So MiniSSkirt's first real trip. I went about 3 or 4 miles, nothing crazy. I didn't get on the highway. I just went far enough to where I can get to go through all the gears. Shifting okay. Shifting a little hard though, but from 3 to 4. I don't know what that's about. So I'm gonna I'll check the fluid, but I don't know much about this transmission. It might have a shift kit in it because it is shifting kind of firm. But it is shifting, that's a good thing. So we got no leaks, no coolant leaks, no transmission leaks, no brake leak, no fuel leak. I had a fuel leak a while ago, that's why I brought that up. So everything looks good. So I want to thank everybody for rocking with your boy. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I'm dropping the next video. I will be go ahead and getting it taken to the alignment shop. I may go ahead and drive it now. Like I said, I just need to get my confidence back with driving the car with all this aftermarket suspension. I drove it a lot before I busted down and did the brakes and suspension. But with all this aftermarket stuff, I'm just getting used to how it rides, so that's why I haven't really been driving it, and then I had the issues with the brake. So, but anyway, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when I'm dropping the next video. Check me out on TikTok and Instagram at PennyLS1. Until next time, PennyLS1, you already know. Holla at your boy.